Hey friends, welcome back to your girl Brittany BB's Crafts. Hi, how you doing? Nice talking to you. Yeah. And it is September 1st, and so that means a new collection by Decorate Your Life. So as always, make sure you check down below in the description box where I have the link to Decorate Your Life's website, so you can go ahead and get this collection plus many more. There's also beaded pens and bracelets. You can get digital collections, you can get albums, you can get hoodies. Like, baby, the sky's the limit. Always hooking you up with great stuff. And again, if you are international, the digital collection is there for you. Otherwise, you can go ahead and do the physical collection as well. In the description box, you'll have the links to all the ladies who are also part of the design team. But make sure you're actually looking and watching the videos that are being shared, because there's always guest designers as well. So go ahead and make sure you show them some love as well. Go ahead and check out the Facebook group for Decorate Your Life, so you can always know when the challenges and giveaways are coming up, so you can go ahead and participate. And usually the giveaways are utilizing the new collection at the moment. So we do have a fun little gift as well, so we're going to go ahead and share that because I'm excited to see, and we'll be right back. So look at the cute little gift. Oh, she's such a sweetheart. So this is from Craft Stash & Co. If you don't know, Decorate Your Life also designs and participates in stuff for this company as well. We'll make sure I have that link down below. There was a deal. There's always like really good deals, so make sure you go ahead and also check that out. So here we have 2 dies, and again, this is designed by Sandi, and these are oh my gosh, I cannot talk. Dainty Dreams gatefold die set. Like, golly. And oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Wait, let's take a quick look. Alright, so this is what the dies look like. And then here is an example of some other dies that are available that is Sandi design. Is a passionate paper crafter based in Texas, USA. The still professed love of vintage inspired designs, perfect for a princess, as well as being a member of the Craft Stash design team. Sandi can be found online at decorateyourlife.com, where her expertise in scrapbooking, card and album making, and love for design papers shines through. Ain't that the truth? And then look at these also that she has designed. These are so stinking pretty. Oh, that is so sweet of you. So with the die, you have it where you put the die in. Like, so if you were to make a card, I can't get it out. So if you were to make the card, you can just have the impression right here taken out of the card. Or if you use the actual silhouette around it, you can go ahead and have that piece removed, and you can add it on to your card or whatever. But I will try to go ahead and utilize this as well in the I'm not sure what we're designing with this time. I'll try to see if I can utilize it in the collection, so that way too you have a great idea of how that works. And then look at this really pretty paper. It's called Dainty Dreams. How pretty. Let's take a pretty quick look. Oh, look at how pretty that is. Oh, I love that. Let's see, it's A4 paper. And it comes with 24 sheets with 6 designs. So you get 4 of each. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that is so cute. Ooh, that is cute. So you can also find this on Craft Stash & Co. That's a pretty green, isn't it? That is so pretty. Definitely gonna have to try to come up with something with that one. That is so stinking cute. I know this is not the star of the show, but why not go ahead and showcase it and show it off to you guys if you have never heard of the company or seen any of the things that Sandi has designed. So that is, thank you so much. It's just the sweetest thing ever. And so in our PR package, we have one of her gorgeous pens. You guys know I am a pen hoarder. And I wanted to say another word, but you know, let's keep it a little PG. And oh, look at the cute little kitty. I love this. This is so cute. Everyone has been into like doing the beaded pens lately, and I'm like, oh, I can totally do that. But it's like when things get like overly saturated, I'm just like, eh, never mind. You know. And then I love it when she includes score tape, so thank you so much. Here we have, oh, we have so many fun things here. Here we have like some little fabric hearts. Oh, I love the texture of that. It's really, really pretty. We have some really pretty silk ribbon bows in white. We have some peach tulle, kind of like more on the nude side. We have some really pretty flat backs. I like the little burlesque there. And then we have some, this is like some kind of trim. Ooh, we've had something similar to this, and I definitely utilized it. And this is pretty. I say it in like all my videos. Everything is so fancy. Like I feel like it's too fancy for me. And then this is some snowball mesh tulle. And then here is the collection Parfum by Decorate Your Life. So it comes with 7 designs, 14 pages on 65-pound cardstock. Ooh, so let's open her up and see what she looks like. All right, so pretty. Ooh, look at that. It says American, I want to say American stations, maybe. I'm not sure. But regardless, it's really, really pretty. Look at that. I like that. And then we have this one here. And see, that's where that kind of can come into play. Really, really pretty. This gives me like wedding-esque type vibes. Really pretty. It's definitely giving me like a wedding. That is gorgeous. Ooh, I like this one. That one's stunning. And we have this one here. Love the little lace trim added here. Then you have the pretty little comb. And then we have like some little cutter parts here. So if you have the machine, I can go ahead and cut it out, or you can go ahead and fussy cut. And cute little teacup. We have the different perfumes here. And we have 2 of those. So this is so cute. Like I said, it's so elegant and it's fancy, and it gives me wedding vibes. It gives me like when, you know, you pass something down to the little girl, like through generations and generations. Like, I don't know, that's just that's the vibe. That is the vibe I'm getting. I'm not sure what I do, but you know, the wheels will be turning and I'll be thinking. So again, go down below, description box, check out all those links that I told you. Crafty Co, Decorate Your Life. Make sure you check the links out with all the ladies who are on the design team. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be back soon to unveil what I've created. You know, and this is gonna be kind of difficult for me. I'm not gonna lie. So I can't wait to see what I make right along with y'all. All right, until then, until next time, bye.